It's making things so much easier for people. You no longer have to spend thousands of dollars to pay someone to build a website for you. It says let AI create a website for you. Okay, so now let's preview our store. This is what we have so far. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. It looks so professional. AI, you guys, AI. Literally, AI does everything for you. Starting an online business is a lot easier than you guys think. And I'm gonna start a business using Temu products, and I'm gonna let AI build a website for me in just minutes. It's time to stop overcomplicating everything when it comes to starting a business. There's so many people that are always commenting under my videos, my Temu videos, when I tell people how to start a business. They're like, oh, well, how do you do this? How do you do that? This is so difficult. How am I gonna make sales? But you guys, we live in the time where AI is taking over everything right now, and it's making things so much easier for people. You no longer have to spend thousands of dollars to pay someone to build a website for you, because guess what? AI can build it for you in just minutes. So first, I'm about to go ahead and go through Temu, and we're gonna find products together that I'm gonna use to sell in my online business. So let's go ahead and go on Temu and pick our kawaii products, okay? Because like I want the website to look amazing and I need the right products on there. So I really like these. These are super kawaii, good prices. Like if you guys want to sell these in your store, let me see. I am gonna just like grab this, save image as, I'm just gonna like save them and I'm gonna put tags on them. So save. Let's go back. I really like this one too. This like Hello Kitty is so kawaii, like literally. This is kawaii, guys. Like this is what it is for people who don't know. This is like basically the theme. Like, is Hello Kitty Japanese? I don't know, but it's so pretty though. Look at it. So I'm definitely gonna have this in there as well. These are so cute. Definitely kawaii. So I'm gonna add these, but I see this little watermark, which I don't like. So this picture does not have a watermark, so perfect. You guys, I'm like literally adding so much to my business because there's so much like cute stuff. Literally so much. This, we got like all these stickers. These are so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna save these as well. But I'm gonna stop after I get like 2 more. I'm gonna stop, but it's just like such cute stuff. Oh my gosh, look at these bags. I love it. I just love how there's such a variety of products, like literally. And even if something is not wholesale on Temu, the prices are so good, it's basically wholesale. $4.55 for a bag like this, and you can sell them. You can literally price them at 20 if you want to, because you're in the USA. And also, I mean, you know, feel the quality of it. See, you could be like 15, still making amazing profit. $10 per unit profit. Absolutely amazing. And we're gonna add one more thing. I think these are so cute. Literally, there's so much cuteness. These are cute. Oh my gosh, look at these, you guys. So pretty. Like, I would actually use this right here. I'm trying to see what's the best photo to put for it. I'm gonna put this photo right here. Okay, so boom, we're gonna go gray and then save, and then that's it. It's very important to have a website for your business, and if you do not have a website and you are telling people, which I see a lot of, you're telling people to DM you, to make a purchase, to order from you, very unprofessional, and you are definitely losing a lot of sales. You need a website. It's very easy to get a website these days. But luckily for you guys, Hostinger has an AI website builder that's going to help you build a complete, totally complete website for you. And you don't need to have any special skills. You don't need to know coding in order to build your online website. And I will be building my website with Hostinger, and you guys will see like the little tutorial. So if you guys click the link in the description, you're going to see this, and you're going to click claim deal. And then you're going to go ahead and choose your plan, and it says this is the most popular one: premium website builder, business website builder. Let's choose the business website builder because that's what we need. And so once you get here, you're going to make sure that you put in the coupon code GLAMOUR. So let's go ahead and put it, apply, and just like that, you guys just got 10% off your order. And you can choose, like, you know, the period that you want to do and everything like that. But yes, use GLAMOUR10. Make sure you don't forget the code. While I have you guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and let's continue. Okay, so you guys are gonna search up Hostinger. If you want to like follow along with me, that would be amazing. You can go ahead and just like build your website as well, and use the like link in the description if you want to start now, or you can just watch the tutorial of me doing it and then you can do it later. So what domain name do you want to use for your website? It says you have 1 free domain, so you guys get 1 free domain, which is absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna choose reinventingkawaii.com because I'm going to go on Temu and get kawaii products and have them on my website. That is my theme. pick a theme. I highly recommend picking a theme if you're going to use Temu products to make a website. So reinventingkawaii.com, and then we're going to go, and then next I'm going to register my domain, reinventingkawaii.com. So country is United States, personal company, I'm going to do company or organization. So I'm finishing up my domain registration, so obviously I didn't show that part, but you're going to put in your address, your company information, and you're going to continue. Okay, you guys, so now it says let AI create a website for you. So for my brand name, I put Reinventing Kawaii, and for the description, describe your project or brand in a few sentences. So this is where you're just gonna describe your brand. Okay, so I kind of just like went on Google. I got a kawaii description because that's the theme. So hopefully they get it right. Let's see. I'm just gonna like paste what I just copied. So, a Japanese cultural phenomenon which emphasizes cuteness, a childlike innocence, charm, and simplicity. Let me see if there's anything else I should add. I feel like this is enough, so I'm just going to start with this and see what it does. And then I know that I'm going to be able to go in and like customize as well. So, let's see. But it says getting AI services ready, writing unique content, looking for matching pictures. But like I said, this is my first time ever like making a website with AI, so okay, you guys, so this is what it came up with for me. So Reinventing Kawaii, I see cute deals await, shop now and save. It literally made the whole website, which is so amazing. And I can still go in and customize any images I want to change, anything, but they literally did it all. Look at this. They even put products for me, which is so funny because I was gonna put my own products. This is so funny. About Reinventing Kawaii. Discover the charm of Japanese cartoon culture where cuteness and simplicity come together to create delightful experiences. That's so cute. They even came up with things like gallery. Adorable. But you guys can go in and customize anything. Like you see color palettes right here, like how it has a dark blue. So continue to set up your store. You add products, connect payment methods, customize website. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to continue here and customize, you know, things to your liking, your theme. Absolutely amazing. So gift cards. You can even have gift cards, y'all. What? Okay, so we're going to ignore that right now. Reinventing Kawaii Store Manager. That is me. That is you. Basically, like if you're doing this as well. Add your first product with the help of AI. Import products. I mean, shoot, if I can, oh, okay, like a file, okay, no, we're not importing anything, okay, guys? So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna add product, okay? We're gonna add new products. It is going to be physical, so upload images. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put an image and a price because I don't wanna take too much time on here, so we're just gonna go to the tag we created, which was gray. And then we're just gonna, so we're gonna call this Kawaii. I don't know, guys. Kawaii cup? But I feel like I should put like kawaii bow tie. Yeah, kawaii bow tie cup. I feel like that's better, okay? Okay, now we're gonna put, you guys, AI writer description. I'm gonna put, bow tie cute cup. And see what they can come up with for me. Okay, AI writing description, that's amazing. And it's gonna save us a lot of time. What the heck? Bow tie cup, adorned with playfully bow pattern. That's all we need, okay? That's all we need. Because this is gonna help us for SEO and Google purposes. We always need a description. Don't skip this, you guys. Pricing. We're gonna price this at, let's price it at $15, y'all. Because look, how much did it cost us? I don't even remember. Let me see. How much did this thing cost us, you guys? It cost us about $5, so we're making a $10 profit. That's amazing, okay? So, and what you're going to do is you're going to have some of these on hand, and then you're going to, like, maybe even go live on TikTok. You're going to make a lot of TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and y'all are going to sell out, okay? Additional info section. We don't need to worry about any of that, so save. Save. Okay? And, you know, we're going to delete the products that they have because, like, I want the store to look cute. And, you know, I already picked out products, so we don't need what they have on here. Plus, we don't have those products that they have, so. So now let's add our next product, physical product. You guys can even add digital products. Like if you want a digital product store, absolutely amazing. So boom, upload images. Go down, gray. Let's add in the stickers. So I'm going to say kawaii stickers. And then we're going to go to pricing. We're going to price these at like $5. Wait, how much were they? I don't even know. But let's price them at $7. I don't know, guys. Okay, save. Like at this point, we're just trying to see the store come together, look cute. I want to give you guys a very great visual of how your store can possibly look if you theme it and like do it the right way. Like you don't just pick junk products off Temu. You have to go for a theme. So next product, we're gonna go. So this is the last product that we're gonna upload. It's this like kawaii keychain, because basically any keychain can be a purse charm as well. So I'm gonna say kawaii, like bow tie keychain. Yeah, and then we're gonna price it at $7. Save. You guys, I cannot wait to see. So look at all the other products that I added: kawaii bow tie cup, kawaii stickers, kawaii erasers, kawaii glass cups, boba stickers, kawaii keychains, kawaii suitcase, and this all came from Temu. All came from Temu, and there's so many more. I'm just doing it like not too many because I'm for the sake of the video basically. So let's see. So now we're just gonna say create multiple product page templates. Okay, so let's get out of that. Let's go down. You guys, look. Let me move this. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Our store looks so cute already, and we're not even done with it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, literally. But let's do a little like quick look through and see what you can change. So here is where you're going to change any colors that you don't want on the website. This is where you're going to change any font, so you can choose a different font for your website. You can change the buttons, have animations on things, so when people get on the website it's like a cool animations, which is awesome. And then here you have the AI image generator, AI writer, which is awesome, AI page generator, AI section generator, blogs, which is so good for a small business online store. For SEO purposes, you have the blogs, AI SEO assistant, which is so cool, AI heat map, AI logo maker. I want to show you guys this because, you know, you're going to need a logo. So let's go to the AI logo maker that they have, Hostinger. Okay, so let's put cup of coffee with a heart sign. I'm going to put kawaii cartoon character, minimalistic, futuristic. Okay, let's see. Simple? How does simple look? Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so they made us some. I'm just gonna choose one of these for our website. So let's go ahead and download this one right here. Now let's go here and upload our logo. Okay, so I just uploaded my logo, and they also gave us a favicon to use for our website, which is awesome. It's basically the logo, but in a different, I don't know how to explain it, like a different, the pixels are different, so it's better for a favicon. It's a lot smaller, so they give you 2 files when you do the AI logo. So now I'm going to, let me see. So look at how cute it came out. Okay, so you have the option to move your logo around and see where you want to put it. You just go to layout, and then you see, like, do you want, see, I personally wanted the logo in the middle. I feel like it looks the best, but you have different options. So you can have your logo like this and have these down there. You can have it to the left if you want, but I personally like it in the middle and then the shopping bag on the right. That's just me, but you can have it however you want. But that's so awesome. Look at that. So you can also just edit any text that you want to edit. So this is how you're going to move sections around. Say you don't want this right after this and you want to go ahead and start showing people the products immediately. You're just going to press move down. Boom. Now it's on the bottom of the products. Say you want the products to show as soon as someone gets on the website. Move it up. And now you have the products first. So as soon as someone sees the website, you have the products up already. So now I'm going to go ahead and change the color of this section right here. So you're just going to click on it. You're going to click the section, you're going to put edit section, then you're just going to change the color that you want it to. So I'm going to put like a light fun color. Like, let's go here and then put it. This is actually pretty cute. Okay, so that's what we're going to choose, and I'm going to put save so they can save our website. Okay, so now let's preview our store. This is what we have so far. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. It looks so professional. AI, you guys, AI. Literally, AI does everything for you. All you need to do is just customize, put your own specific products. AI and Temu. So basically, Temu/Hostinger made this. Literally, look. Amazing. And of course, I didn't like edit any of that, but you have all of these. Basically, AI made us an amazing template. And you see down here, you can add your social links, your Facebook, Instagram, connect them, your number, all of that. And when customers click on your products, this is what they're going to see. So they'll see this, and that's because I didn't make any descriptions, but I did make a description for one of them. So So let me see the one that I made a description for. Okay, so I made a description for this one right here. So as you can see, this product actually has a description, which AI made. So you can just do that for all of your products. But I like this little logo. Look at this. AI made that for me, y'all, and it did it so quick. So let's look at the AI writer, something that is amazing for your SEO. AI writer to fill your website beautiful content. That's amazing. Like the more content on your website, the more you're going to rank on Google. So let's say, okay, so I just put a story of a cartoon anime character that loves to look and dress kawaii. I don't know. This is just like what I came up with off the top of my head. So let's let them create a little copy for us. Okay, so it says, in the vibrant world of anime, a charming character named Emmy, whose passion for all things kawaii sets her apart, with her big sparkling eyes and ever-changing pastel-colored hair. Pastel. Oh my god, I love this. So you would just like copy this and use it on your website just to keep up building more and more. Basically, my keywords are kawaii, cartoon, and then maybe I can like next time put in the description Japanese, you know, so we can have like that aesthetic. You just want to build up those keywords so that you can rank when someone searches up kawaii aesthetic or kawaii bags or something. You want your website to start ranking. So this is how you're going to do that. You're just going to use this AI writing tool right here. And they also have other AI tools. And if you guys are ready to let AI build your online store today, then use the link in the description and you guys will get 10% off and use code GLAMOUR at checkout. But overall, you guys see that it's very possible to resell Temu products and build your own online store and have a cool theme like I did. Like I went for a kawaii theme, and you guys can theme yours as well. Go through Temu, find those cool themed products for your sort of like specific business. There's people out there for you. There's an audience for you, people ready and waiting. And if you get those products and you have them on hand, you have such an advantage. That's your advantage over Temu because your stuff is right here in the USA, and you guys offer shipping in 2 to 3 business days. That is like such an advantage over Temu because they take at least like a week to deliver stuff to their people. But if you are in the USA, you have the products on hand. Plus, a lot of people don't even know about Temu still, but I'm saying, say they do, worst case scenario, they know about Temu and they're going to look on there. Still, they might need it ASAP and they don't have time to wait a week to 2 weeks. And some Temu products even take a month to come. So that is your advantage. Leverage the fact that Temu has wholesale things for very, very cheap and that you are in the USA, and you know, make sure you have on top of your website 2 to 3 business days shipping. They would never think you're getting your stuff from Temu. They're going to be like, if they're getting their stuff from Temu, how is it coming to me in 2 to 3 business days? Yeah, that is your advantage, so leverage it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!